Hello and welcome to another Daily Dose of Insight powered by xChange. Every other day we bring to you the key news, stories, data points, and insights that move container markets and hence your business. Today is Monday, so we have what we call Macro Monday here at xChange, where we typically take a look at the big themes, the big data points that are to be expected, to be watched, to be released this week that have an impact on markets, specifically container markets. Let me quickly share my screen to give you a little bit more guidance of what I'm talking about. So, of course, the big theme this week is whether the question whether container ships will return to the Suez Canal following the Israel-Hamas ceasefire. The Houthis have already announced they will stop sort of attacks on non-Israeli ships, but of course, there are big question marks around that because there are obvious benefits to the Houthis if they sort of retain these attacks, the impact that they have on the global economy and potentially the monetary flows that flow into the Houthi sort of empire because of these attacks are estimated to be quite meaningful. So the question is, what will happen? I put the chart here, except from Lloyd this morning. I thought this was quite interesting. You see, of course, spot rates dropping quite significantly across the board already after the announcement of the ceasefire. And a client I spoke to last week referred to this as a head and shoulder combination, which if you are into stock trading and specifically chart trading, chart analysis, then this is typically a sign of an upcoming bearish market, so dropping rates, dropping prices across the board going forward. Other topics this week, of course, Trump inauguration this week or today. Question: what will happen? What kind of executive orders will he issue straight after inauguration? There's, of course, some significant uncertainty around that, with impact, of course, on container shipping and trading. And then we also have the Davos World Economic Forum this week, which typically also means a flurry of news, data points, and insights that move container markets. So stay tuned for that. I think three quite important trends and topics to watch this week. On the rest of the sort of economic indicator front, quite a quiet week this week. We do have Euro area and German economic sentiment data released tomorrow, and we do expect, or markets do expect, a significant decrease across the board, and that all along the fact that the IMF, the International Monetary Fund, has just increased US growth expectations for 2025, revised them upwards. Quite a tale of two sides on both sides of the Atlantic here. Now, that's it from us for today. Have a fantastic start into the week, and talk to you all on Wednesday. Take care.